Have you ever placed a dimension lines in Revit and later discovered that you made a mistake? Don't waste your time deleting it. There is no need to start over. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly edit dimension witness lines in Revit after placement, so you can fix your drawings in seconds without breaking a sweat. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official. Tap the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Let's use this dimension line as an example. We're supposed to dimension from this point to this point, this partition. So all we have to do is to select the dimension line, click here, edit witness lines, click on it, then pick the point. You've seen it. We've dimensioned this space right here. Then how about if you want to deselect a particular space? For example, this window, this is the dimension. If you want to remove this dimension, what you need to do, select the dimension line, edit witness line, pick the exact point, select it. You've seen it. We've deselect the dimension line. You can do the same thing here. Do the same thing here. As simple as that. When you're done, click on an empty space. You can as well adjust the dimension text. You can adjust the position. Click on this little dot right here. Move it. That is just it. Your dimension is now perfectly edited without deleting anything. Remember, Revit gives you full control over witness lines and text, so take advantage of these tools to keep your drawings professional. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more Revit tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.